Check, okay. Camera roll and action.
Sometimes you make me feel like I'm the loneliest, but that's okay, 'cause I care for you. Don't mind my attitude for not letting you go, 'cause you know how I'm so in love with you, and always so in love with you. Sometimes I feel like giving up, 'cause it's too hard to be true, to see you're happy with your someone new, someone who isn't me. But then I start to remind myself that sometimes love is letting go. Oh, oh, Some things are meant to fly away. Think that's not okay to say I love you again. Take me back to those days where we woke up in the morning. You got me feeling some type of way. All of the things that we've been through, I sure the hope is still so true. My heart is numb and this will continue. To let you go this perfect time, with someone so close from the mind. And now I understand what pain feels like, letting you go, letting you go, letting you go, letting you go. Sum up everything, I knew what I did was wrong, yet we know this one's for the best. Sum up everything, I knew what I did was wrong, yet we know this one's for the best.